Hello everyone, this is Susie from Little Bench and I am here today with an easy flower making session. This is a very easy project and you just need two things to do this project. The first thing you need is the floral wire. This floral wire you get in different thickness, but for this project you need a thin floral wire. The thinner the better. And then you need some nail polish of your choice. Take hold of any round object. A pencil or a sketch pen like this will do. Now leave a little wire at the beginning. I have left around 3 cm. Wrap it just once around the round object. Hold the two ends together and then twist the pen 3 to 4 times. Now you can take it out. Thus we got the first petal. Moving on to the next petal. Leave a little wire before you start the next petal. Again, wrap it around the pen. Hold both ends and twist the pen. Take it out of the pen. This is our second petal. Similarly, let's make 3 more petals. Now, let's hold these two ends of the wire together and twist it, so that all the petals will form a circular pattern. Cut off the excess wire, leaving ample length for the stem. With your hands, shape the petals. You can leave the petals flat like this, or you can twist them a little bit for a 3D effect. Take a pen and hold at the back of the petal and slightly pull it outwards. The petal will curve outwards and give a natural look. Just hold the petal like this and slowly bend it. If you want all your petals to be closer, bring all the petals up together and then slowly take the petals one by one out. Do the adjustments till you are happy with the shape of the flower. Now the next step is painting the flower with a nail polish. Fill in the petals by placing the brush on the wire and moving it from the center to the outside until the nail polish fills the loop. Try several times until you filled it. It might not work in the first attempt. After 2 to 3 attempts, you will get the hang of it. You have to keep the nail polish brush flat like this over the wire and start applying. Let's make more flowers in different colors and some leaves as well. Now let us keep this for drying. We can also make 3 petal flowers in the same way. Now let me show you how to make the leaves. We are following the same method. Leave a long end of the wire before you start working. I am wrapping the wire around the round object and twisting it. Now take out the wire and continue twisting some more times. Leave a little space and make the next leaf in the same way. So this is my main stem. I've made one leaf at the center of the main stem and one on the other side, and now I am going to make the next leaf this side. Leave a little space and make the next leaf. Keep twisting till it reaches the main stem. Let's twist both the ends of the wire and make the main stem longer. Then cut off the wire. Shape the leaves in the same way as we did for the petals. by pulling it slightly outwards. Now it's time to paint the leaves with green polish. After your first coat is done, you can go over one more time so that the polish will be thicker and stronger. So we made the flowers and leaves. Now I'll show you how to arrange this. You can arrange this in different ways. You can make different things with this. You can attach these flowers onto another floral wire and make beautiful tiaras. In the same way, you can make bracelets for the kids. Another option is you can buy the plain hairbands and fix these flowers onto the hairband with some hot glue. That is also a good option. Now I'm going to show you how to make a cute little wall hanging with this flower. For that, you need a bird template like this. I'm going to make this bird shape with this floral wire. So now I'll show you how to make this bird with this wire. Leave some wire at the beginning and let's start from the leg of the bird. Hold the wire at the bird's leg and bend the wire following the template. Once you reach the beak, make a sharp bend there. Bend the wire with your one hand and move forward. Simultaneously, press the wire with the other hand fingers so that the wire retains that shape. Follow the rest of the template and finish our bird. When you reach the starting point, you can take it out and shape the bird with your hands. Once you are satisfied with the shape of the bird, you can twist both the ends. We are going to arrange everything together to this twig. Twist the wire to the twig and fix the bird. This is a thicker floral wire which I am going to fix onto this twig in an arch shape. Just fold here, hold both the ends and twist the twig. Fix the other end also in the similar way. Since this wire is thicker, I am not able to twist it with my hand, so I have taken the plier. You can fix it by twisting the long stems of the flowers to the twig. Since the wire is very thin, you might find it difficult to fix it. So you can also use some hot glue to keep the flowers in their position. I have used flowers in white and 2 shades of pink. Also, I used 5 petal and 3 petal flowers. You can make as many as you want and arrange to the twig. Let's mix and match different colored flowers and leaves and make it pretty. So that's all about today's project. Thank you for watching today's video. See you next week with another easy DIY session. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.